Do you know how important you are? Your contribution is an essential part of the success of your organization, and you add value to the world both through what you do and through your very essence. I want to invite you to join me on the Leading from the Helm journey that begins with you. Before we begin, I want to introduce you to the Leading from the Helm model. It's a strategy system, if you will, that helps your organization align strategy, culture, process, and people in a way that produces results for the advancement of your organization's mission. So what is the Helm? Starting with the true north, it's strategy. This is your mission, your vision, and the purpose of your organization. It's what you want everything and everyone aligned to. When we look at leadership, we acknowledge that everyone has leadership within them. The Discover the Leader Within journey allows individuals to find their unique brand of leadership and dive deep into the concept of leadership of self. This spoke of the Helm also works with organizations to determine the DNA of their organizational leadership. Leaders in an organization are the ambassadors of culture. When culture aligns to strategy, organizational performance is maximized. This is done with people who work side by side in the culture to support the strategy. Working side by side is accomplished starting with understanding others. When leadership builds a purposeful culture, when we understand each other, it builds trust. This ensures alignment to the strategy, resulting in the organizational goals being achieved. When you've built a culture based on trust, teams are highly effective. We take a balanced approach to team effectiveness, as you'll see in the Knowing Your Team journey. Great teams are made of great people. And this people perspective looks at employee engagement, utilizing the 8 factors of engagement. This is the most balanced, holistic, actionable model of engagement available to any organization. You will gain first-hand experience using the 8 factors during the Leading from Within journey when you take your own individual engagement assessment. The process perspective of the Helm is where all the work gets done. Work processes, services, programs, and projects are measured, managed, and improved within the spoke of the Helm. People use their creativity and innovation to continuously improve the way work gets done, and this work is what serves the customer. How are you serving your customers? Are their requirements being met? Are they being delighted? We look at those critical to quality aspects to ensure the customer requirements are getting met. Results. This can be revenue, return on investment, profitability, outcomes your community receives, or even return on taxpayer or donation dollars if you are part of a government or nonprofit organization. We look at the organizational impact of the model to determine the impact on results. When you achieve the results that you're looking for, that's what allows you to build on the mission, vision, and strategy of your organization. It's what allows it to be sustainable now and into the future. Leaders who grab the Helm know that they have the most holistic approach to organizational effectiveness and what will allow them to transform their teams and organizations to be what they are most capable of. Now, I've been talking quite a bit about the organization, yet the journey you're embarking on is mostly focused on you. Why did we cover off in this high-level strategy system? Because it shows you the big picture, how you, the leader, impact everything in your organization. As we continue, we'll dive deeper and deeper into specific spokes of the Helm, all focused on your development.